Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I just want to share you guys this amazing herb that I've got. I just recently taken this because it just gave birth its flower. What? Hold on, let me just rephrase that. I've taken and used this herb because it just recently bloomed. So, are you suffering from low energy or brain power like me? Feeling stressed? Oh yes, stressful world. Anxiety? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna eat tomorrow? Can't sleep? Yes. ML pa more. Can't conceive? I don't have that. And constipated? Poor eyesight? Probably yes. Especially when I'm driving, I have, poor eyesight. Losing your hair? Premature graying? I don't have that one yet. Is your skin losing collagen? Not sure about that. So this herb is known to help, and I'm talking about a butterfly pea. It is also known as Asian pigeon wings, blue bell vine, blue pea, Kordofan pea, and Darwin pea. This is an amazing brain-boosting herb native to tropical equatorial Asia. The reason why I'm taking this herb because I have a little bit of problem remembering things or memorizing stuff. And based on research, this herb has an amazing brain-boosting benefit, which is I've just, said, what the heck. So here are the benefits that you could possibly get if you take this herb. First is improved eyesight. Clitoria Ternatea contains an antioxidant called proanthocyanidin. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, which increases blood flow to the capillaries of the eyes, useful in treatment of glaucoma, blurred vision, retinal damage, or tired eyes. Second is improved hair growth. It is rich in bioflavonoids. Butterfly pea can promote hair growth and reduce graying of hair. Third is improved skin. Butterfly pea's antioxidants stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, which helps rejuvenate the skin and lessen wrinkles and other signs of aging. Fourth is aphrodisiac. Butterfly pea has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac, particularly for women, and used to treat menstruation problems or white vaginal discharge. Let us just leave it right there. Fifth is antioxidant. Flavonoids and anthocyanins and phenolic compounds in butterfly pea flowers activates antioxidant activity, which helps decrease oxidative stress caused by disease-causing and aging free radicals. Sixth, nootropic. Butterfly pea has been shown to enhance cognitive function and brain-boosting function. Seventh, diuretic. Butterfly pea promotes normal urination, which in turn lowers blood pressure. Eighth, analgesic. Clitoria Ternatea has been used traditionally as a local anesthetic, as it has been shown to help relieve pain and swelling. Ninth, anxiolytic. Butterfly pea has a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety. 10th, anti-inflammatory. The deep indigo flowers contains flavonoids, found in almost all fruits and vegetables. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. 11th, anti-asthmatic. It is used in common cold, cough, and asthma, as it acts as an expectorant and reduces the irritation of respiratory organs. 12th, anti-anxiety and depression. Indications are that high doses of butterfly pea may be adaptogenic, helping the body deal with stressors. 13th, anti-diabetic. Butterfly pea has shown to inhibit glucose intake from the diet. 14th, anti-HIV. Butterfly pea is one of the few herbs to contain cyclotides, which have exhibited anti-HIV effects in studies. 15th, anti-cancer and anti-tumor. Clitoria Ternatea cyclotide can cause cancer cell death by disrupting cell membrane integrity. 16th, antimicrobial. In several Indian studies, Butterfly pea exhibits significant antimicrobial effects against Staphylococcus aureus. 17th. Anticonvulsant. Butterfly pea has been shown to help reduce the severity and stress on the body from convulsions, useful in treating epilepsy. And 18th. Antipyretic. Clitoria Ternatea can help reduce fever by dilating the blood vessels right beneath the skin, whereby air can cool the blood easier. So marami kang makukuhang benepisyo sa pag-take nitong herb na to. Sa akin, ang ginagawa ko is, isang buong bulaklak, sinusok ko siya sa isang tasang tsaa. Hindi ko inaalis hanggang maubos kong inumin yung tsaa. Maraming tao ang nagdadalawang isip na gamitin tong herb na to dahil para sa iba ay delikado itong gamitin. But I believe when God created this earth, He created it with herb-yielding plants, and this is one of those plants. So I believe the claim of this herb is true. A lot of people are doubting herbs, especially those in the medical field. But if you have faith in God, He can use even those tiny little things as an instrument that for most people considered it useless. So just believe and have faith in God.